Play a Game with Ace by Dr. Sara Northern. Hi, friend. My name is Ace. Will you play a game with me?
Yeah.
I call it the face game, and it is fun to play.
Okay.
I show you different faces, and you help me find the right face. Woohoo! Okay, let's go!
Woo!
Can you find the funny face? This is the funny face. Can you find the sad face? This is the sad face. Can you find the shy face? This is the shy face. Can you find the happy face? This is the happy face. Show me your happy face. Congratulations! You won the face game.